All right, let me do a quick review about the 1320. I don't remember now. I had another video with the short shifter and the Boomba shifter plate and the bushings and the torque solution transmission mount and the positive bushings for the transmission. 1320, yeah, that's the short shifter that I got. And I got the 1320 shift stop, and I got the 1320 bushing for the shifter cable. And I installed that today, and I drove it for a little bit. And the soon I turn on the car, man, oh my god, you can tell the difference about the transmission mount right away. The sound of the car is amazing. For those people that like those kind of racing sound, it's amazing. Now, if you don't like if you don't like sounds and you like things quiet, then don't put it on. But it feels great. It feels great. The shifter feel great. Everything feel great. It's a must do. If you have a WRX 2015 and up, or maybe any WRX, I don't know. But I got a 2018. If you have them, man, oh my god, you have to do that. You have to. I mean, it's freaking amazing. I love it. How it feel, how it sound, how short my shifts are now. Oh my god, I can't be any more happier than this. I don't know if you guys will hear it. I'm using my phone like always. But I'm telling you, man, it feel awesome. It feel like I have a beast in my hands. I like it a lot. So I don't know if you guys can hear that. It sounds like a must. Sound like a monster. It sounds like something's falling off. Oh no, I'm gonna go home and check it out. But anyway, it's a must do. But now I hear something that I think, I don't know, something might be loose or something, because it sounds like too loud now. So I might check it when I get home. But if anything, if you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe. Be safe. Stay away from that coronavirus crap.